Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram issue about restricting certain activities. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, it's gonna pop up like a window to say that you've been, restricted from doing these certain activities like commenting and following and such. So, what we can do is going to our profile and we're gonna go to click at the three lines at the top right, and we're gonna go to our settings. So we're gonna scroll down for a little bit. You gotta see here the help center, and you're gonna just go ahead right here and report a problem. And would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? And we're gonna include and don't include and continue, and we're gonna just report our problem, and we're gonna say I've been restricted from certain activity, please fix my problem and all that. And afterwards you're gonna click on send, and afterwards, after you've done typing the issue, the problem, you're gonna just go back, and advisably and recommend you to log out from your account and wait it out for approximately 24 to 48 hours. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.